Hi guys, it's me Luis and I am your YouTuber forever and we are here in the Don't Press the Button No 4 because it's just much easier to collect everything that we can do, and there's a looks like speed run, and we fall down when we make the cake, and I will stand in this. Ah, it looks foggy. Look at my shirt. My butt is pointing out there. That's so funny. Okay, somebody press it. Whee! 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 Just collecting some coins and diamonds here. So fun. Oh my gosh, it's still jumping high. What? They just flip this over, newbie. Ah, I didn't know. I didn't know because there's no sounds right there. Okay. Let's go and find some cakesies. Oh, don't fall. Oh, make it. Oh no, I didn't break it again. Okay. No! I'm just about to get it. Oh, look at my toesies. Yeah, I'm gonna eat all my cake. I got no more cake. Push the bomb! Push the bomb! No, it is gonna explode. Push the bomb, everyone! Push the bomb! No! You didn't, guys. Oh, come on. I'm just close to the button. Come on. Wait. Why there's nothing? Oh my god! Oh my goodness. I didn't see the train coming from. Oh no, slap again. If you go in there, slap. No, don't slap my fans. Don't slap. Get out, you. Oh no. You guys are gonna die. You're gonna die. I have to slap myself. Oh, close. That was, oh no. No fights. I hate fighting. What is this mask on me? I hate this mask. Oh, we both died. He's the best master ever. You can... Oh, they won. Oh, why there's so many money? Okay, here. Why they still had this sword? Oh, I will kill everyone. You know, I just wish I could kill everyone. What is okay? I don't remember their name before. Oh. The pew 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 pew. What? Pew 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 pew. You can't catch me. Oh my gosh! I'm just freezed. Okay. Oh, she always won, or he. Everybody tries to push the button, and I'm gonna die every single moment because I don't like that maskers. No one has masks. I don't think so if they're good. They wanted just to win and fight. Get that jump. Get that robe money. What's diamond. I'm just collecting all of I want. This. Oh, I won also. I'm just collecting coins right there. Yes, collecting coins again. Begin the collecting coins. Come on, I need to collect more coins. What's that guy doing to that other guy? No, I wanted just to get the diamond. Okay. Everybody's gonna die. Or maybe not. Because they had no swords. I'll go get some diamonds. Okay. Press. What is happening? What? Okay, push all the table. Table. Oh my gosh, I'm so funny. No, I'm bad of that game. Oh man, I'm just getting away from this. Yay, I won also. Push. No. No. Oh, I went into the wrong way. I thought the laser is not gonna touch me. What? What's tsunami? The tsunami is not actually. Oh, I know. Hey, you boy. Stop doing that. I'm so scared because I'm so wiggly and jiggly. Oh, we're just back into the city. No, not now back. Press. Ah! Don't kill me! Fans, don't keep an eye on killing us. Oh my fans. That noob is scared. No, don't. No. Whew. Because it has to be no, because that is gonna throw us off. Wee. Collecting some coins. Collecting some diamonds. Okay, back to the bottom. That's it. Oh no. What's gonna happen? What? Wait. Oh, speedy race. Speedy. We're so speed enough to get some coins, but we don't know how to get the speed. Look at us. Looks like I just died. I thought it needs more space. Mommy is coming. No, I'm not gonna make it in time. No, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, I always don't make it. Okay, bye guys. See you later. Thank you for watching my video. Click subscribe to my channel. Bye.